Hi everyone, welcome back to the first episode of CC Studio series and the next episode of Sahi Baat Hai with Ashi and Mohit. जी हाँ, CC Studios is Corporate Connections Ranchi and Sahi Baat Hai with Ashi का एक collaboration हुआ है जिसमें हम CC members से मिलेंगे जो amazing business owners हैं, amazing entrepreneurs हैं, उनसे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, उनके life journey को जानने को मिलेगा. So let's stay tuned of what's and who's coming next. सोशल मीडिया पे बिजनेसेस ना बहुत ग्लैमरस लगते हैं बट रियल बिजनेस में जो ट्रस्ट द पेशेंस द एफर्ट दैट एवरीथिंग दैट गोज इज वेरी डिफरेंट एंड अगर मैं कहूँ कि आज जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं हैज बिल्ट हिज बिजनेस थ्रू ट्रस्ट कहीं से भी गलत नहीं होगा बिकॉज आज आपको एक ऐसे बिजनेस ओनर से आप मिलेंगे जिन्होंने सैनिटरी वेयर में एक ऐसा नाम बनाया है कि आज लोग को पता है कि भाई सैनिटरी वेयर चाहिए झारखंड में कहीं भी तो ही इज जस्ट a one call away person and he will have the best and a quality product. So yes, we have Mr. Anish Saraf from Anish Enterprises जो कि एक सैनिटरी वेयर बिजनेस में है. 2007 में वो खुद आए, 2001 से उनके फादर ने ये बिजनेस शुरू किया रांची में एंड वैसे वो लोग इंदौर से हैं. When they shifted to Ranchi, they started this from scratch and today it's a very big name, it's a household name. So yes, let's welcome our next guest, Mr. Anish Saraf. Hi, Anish ji.
Thank you so much.
So Anish bhaiya, I heard that you are from Indore.
Yeah.
And how did the shift from Indore to Ranchi happen?
Actually, I was born in Calcutta. Then I
Okay.
did my schooling and graduation and PG, everything from Indore. Then when Jharkhand was separated from Bihar in the year 2001, I suppose. So my dad saw good business opportunity here that is being separated. So then he decided to shift to Jharkhand. Basically, he was contractor there before.
Indore
So,
mein.
Indore, yeah. So झारखंड बना तो लगा अच्छा बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी है. देन वी टुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फ्यू कंपनीज रिलेटेड टू बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स एंड देन वी शिफ्टेड. सो आई केम बैक इन द ईयर 2007. My dad, my parents shifted here. I came back in the year 2007.
And 2007 से पहले sanitary start कर
Yeah,
चुके
yeah,
थे?
sanitary only. Sanitary, bath fittings, pipes and all.
Okay. And how did you all choose this business specifically?
Actually, my mama, he was into the same business.
Okay.
So he only suggested that infrastructure was going in the boom at that time in 2000. So he said good opportunities, lots of construction work, lots of government projects are going on. So why not do this business only? And it was good, and we did very good.
Great. And कितने साल हो गए आपको सैनिटरी बिजनेस में अभी?
25 years. Personally, मुझे 20 years, but business started,
अपने-
yeah, 25 years.
And अपना ब्रांड नेम has always been Anish
Anish Enterprises, yeah.
So I think आपके पापा ने आप पे पहले
फोकस किया.
सही. क्या बदला है over the years because 2001 2007 से आप जब इस बिजनेस में अभी
Lot of competitions, lot of players. Previously, there were few players
Few
in the market, yeah. And especially after COVID, lot of new players have joined the business. I mean, not only this business, every business, I suppose, after COVID, everyone, those who were working like in other cities, they came back to their hometown and everyone started their own business. So, ज़्यादा competition और ये सब में your margin gets slashed, and due to pressure from companies, they don't really know how to develop the business. Just slashing the margin won't grow your business. They don't understand this because you need a handsome margin to grow your business. Every business has some overhead expenditure, and if you go below that, you won't able to rise. Yeah.
and survive.
Yeah, you won't able to survive.
And कितना important, how important is trust in sanitary wear especially?
In every business, I suppose trust is the major factor. And in sanitary ware, obviously, without trust, like a business cannot grow. Relationship is very important in every business, I suppose. And there are so many brands in the market. It's only the relationship that works. right?
And कोई अपना
long term
hard-earned
business,
money.
long term business, why people will rely on you?
Yeah.
It's just because your trust that people rely on you, and the long term relationship continues, and you grow
Right.
because of that.
And अपने what all do we actually deal in? Sanitary wear भी
Yeah,
बहुत
sanitary
बड़ा.
wear, it's a very vast product range is there. So we deal in brands like Grohe, it's a German brand.
Okay.
American Standard, again, it's a US brand. And then Hindware, bath fittings and sanitary wear. Then in pipes, we do Astral pipes, Phenolex pipes, Ajay Utkarsh, Crompton pumps. So like we have 10, 12 companies in our brand. And we are distributors for entire Jharkhand of these brands.
Okay. And अपने individual households को भी deal करते हैं और
everyone.
builders.
I have my showroom at Harmu Road. Recently, we renovated that showroom, and we deal with individual households, contractor, builders, dealers across Jharkhand.
And I think लोगों का एक ये रहता है कि जितना बड़ा ब्रांड हो, कितना बड़ा फर्म हो, थोड़ा महंगा ही प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. तो is it also for normal average people building their home?
No. These days, that scenario has changed. Like we deal with all branded companies, right?
Okay.
So they have their own discount structure.
Okay.
Yeah, that fixed discount structure is there, and we have to give that discount structure only in the market. And above that, they get schemes from companies. So वो पुरानी वाली बात नहीं रही कि ना सबका अपना अपना ब्रांड है और एक हैंडसम मार्जिन में काम करना. इतना कंपटीशन हो गया है, तो मैंने क्या बोला, एक मिनिमम मार्जिन तो चाहिए ही बिजनेस को
कि
सर्वाइव करने
survive
के लिए.
करने के लिए.
हाँ, बट अब वो पुरानी वाली ये बात नहीं रही कि यू टेक a lot of margin from your business.
Got
It
it.
turnover that matters now.
And अपना inventory भी काफी रहता होगा. How do you manage that?
It's tough. I have more than 20,000 SKUs.
That is
Yeah,
huge.
it's huge. So we have proper management system to manage that. अगर inventory ठीक से manage नहीं हो पाएगी, then तो you are gone.
Yeah.
So it's very important to maintain your stock so that there is no loophole. अगर business में ये loopholes हुए, so margin भी slash down हो रहे हैं और ये भी loophole हुए, तो then तो you are gone. So it's very important to manage your stocks. So
And
we have proper inventory management
Inventory
system.
man-
Yeah.
And लेकिन कुछ सामान तो भी I think
होता है. देखो अब क्या है ना, if 97-98% is accurate ना, तो
तो
उतना
it is
है.
good
हाँ, it
enough.
is good. अब 1-2% if you go in those minute, तो you won't be able to work.
Right.
You will be in that stress only कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. So you should focus more on developing your business rather getting into these things so minutely. Yeah. You have to have a bird's
you
eye.
can make a brand.
Yeah, you have to have a bird's eye, manage everything, see everything, that there are no loopholes around. But हर चीज में इतना minutely नहीं जाना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप उसी में ही रह जाओगे and you won't be able to grow your business.
Right. अभी क्या ट्रेंड कर रहा है स्पेशली आपके
Trend has changed a lot in this last 5-7 years. Trend has changed a lot. Color faucets are in trend. Like previously you used to see chrome plated, now you will see rose gold, black, and many other colors in faucets, sanitary ware. So trend has changed a lot in last 6-7 years. No, people, bathroom is the only place where you get your me time, right? So people have started spending a lot in bathroom these days.
God, yes.
Yeah, people they like to spend their time, have their me time in washroom. They spend around 1 hour, half an hour at least.
एकदम perfect
yeah,
होना चाहिए.
perfect. So these days, people, I think more than their rooms, people spend more on their washrooms. Yeah, these days. Previously, what used to happen, plumber आता था, वही list लेके आया और used to take the material. But
अब लोग
now,
choose करते हैं.
yeah, they choose, they feel, they see, and then they take. That's why online business has not impacted our business.
Sanitary
Yeah,
ware.
sanitary ware.
Because you have to feel it,
You have to
see
feel it, see it. the उसके क्या क्या मतलब systems है, you have to understand that. Online you cannot understand all those things.
I think अब तो showers ही
Yeah,
कितने
yeah.
टाइप के आ गए, मतलब these are very
huge
basic
range.
things.
Yeah. Various range in shards.
This range. I think एक series I was watching $1 million listing एक जिसमें लोग सिर्फ वॉशरूम का ही इतना कुछ
बहुत कुछ है.
Interiors है.
I don't know. I'm saying now more than their rooms.
They are
People
spending on
more
this.
on their washrooms. Like we sell a shower, 5 lakh, 6 lakh rupees one shower, and people are
buying it.
Yeah, people are buying it.
Nice.
Previously, I used to 10 years back कि कौन खरीदेगा ये, but now people are ready to buy those shower. And even पहले ना builders भी इतने expensive faucets नहीं लगाते थे, but now these days the property rate has grown so high, has increased so much, so builders are always also putting a good materials.
So are you saying that builders are investing?
Yeah, builders
on
are investing
the
now.
quality.
Yeah, builders are focusing on quality now.
Okay. And we are एक common, just one builder. Where do you see him कि वो कितना invest कर रहा है, कितना अच्छा quality दे रहा है, and is loyal to it?
You know, there's very minute difference. अगर कोई अच्छा करेगा और कोई खराब करेगा ना, बहुत कम difference होता है उस चीज में. They don't understand that.
Yeah.
When we visit the builder ना, उनको पता ही नहीं है इस चीज के बारे में कि डिफरेंस है क्या. बस उनको लगता है कि महंगा है. महंगा नहीं है, कुछ महंगा नहीं है. वो उनका वो थॉट प्रोसेस इन्होंने समझा ही नहीं है वो. बट और अगर थोड़ा सा भी अगर 1% उन भी अगर महंगा पड़ता है, सो दे आर एलिवेटिंग देयर प्रोजेक्ट अ लॉट.
Yeah.
They are giving good bath fittings and all. They are elevating their project. आज की तारीख में when you are going to a flat, what you will see?
You'll definitely see the washroom में क्या
Washroom
है.
only और बाकी तो
And
कुछ
क्या
भी नहीं.
brand
Tiles
लगाया
क्या
है.
लगा है,
हाँ.
तुम उसका brand देख ही
Brand
नहीं पाओगे.
नहीं सकते.
You can only see switches
हाँ.
and faucets and sanitary ware, which brand. From that only you can make out what kind of builder he is and what amount he is spending on his project.
हाँ.
Yeah. So brand is very important now, especially in sanitary and bath fittings, because you see only that in a flat. बाकी तो आप आप खुद कराते हो.
खुद कराते हो, right? And अपने interiors के साथ भी work करते हो.
Yeah.
So your major clients is
Major client builders, contractors, and I have dealers all over.
okay. So all over Jharkhand.
All over Jharkhand.
And pipes में भी
Pipes
what are we doing?
we are dealing in Astral, one of the major leading brands in India. Astral Pipes, everyone knows. Then Finolex Pipes. Ajay is also again a very good company, and Utkarsh based out of East India. East India's #1 company, Utkarsh.
So these are those plastic pipes?
Plastic PVC pipes में भी बहुत range आ गए हैं अभी. They make all kind of pipes like for drainage and all, for rainwater and everything, and internal piping. All kind of different pipes are there. Huge ranges are there in pipes.
And according to you, a small washroom, एक small bathroom को कैसे aesthetic बना सकते हैं?
Very minute. पहले तो क्या है ना कि major difference is we have to plan previously.
Before it is being constructed.
Before it is being constructed. क्योंकि pipeline एक बार it is done ना, then you cannot change that. You have to remove all the tiles again. So you have to plan previously only कि क्या लगाना है आपको.
Yes.
According to that, you have to do your pipelines. So first thing I would say, whatever you need to do in your washroom, so plan beforehand, plan beforehand, and then only proceed further. So एक normal हम लोग डाइवर्टर्स, वॉल हंग ये सब लगाते हैं ना, तो उससे क्या ना वॉशरूम तो इट लुक स्पेशियस.
Right.
पुराने ज़माने का कॉन्सेप्ट था वॉल मिक्सचर, नॉर्मल कमोड्स, वो फ्लोर माउंटेड रहते थे, तो फ्लोर भी उससे क्लीन नहीं रहता था. सो वॉल, इफ़ यू पुट वॉल हंग एंड डाइवर्टर्स ना, द वॉशरूम लुक स्पेशियस एंड तो क्लीन भी रहता है वो वॉशरूम. You just need to, what I said before, you just need to understand a few basic points, and obviously your washroom will look very elegant and very smart, and it's not that you have to pay a huge price for that. In nominal price structure also, your washroom can look very elegant.
Right. And 20 years, I think, in a business, it's not easy to survive. So how have you managed?
A lot of competition. I was just very much focused, that I wanted to do this, and by God's grace, I achieved whatever I focused, whatever I wished, and अच्छा ही रहा. The journey has been good as
Great.
far.
एंड फैमिली का सपोर्ट कितना रहा है, कितना इम्पैक्ट किया आपके बिजनेस को?
Family is always important in anyone's life, in anyone's business. Obviously, they have supported me a lot. My parents, my mom, my dad, my wife, they've always been very supportive. Whatever decisions I've taken in life, they've always been very supportive with that. So obviously, family is very important. If family का support नहीं रहेगा, तो I suppose possible नहीं है कि you can grow. Any businessman can grow without family support.
And I think businessmen को ऐसा क्या I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of sacrifice.
Yeah, a lot
that-
of sacrifice businessman makes that. Family life है, business है, your personal social circles are there. You have to give time to yourself also. So obviously, businessman has to make a lot of sacrifices, but he has to plan accordingly कि कैसे क्या करना है. वो proper planning is there. I suppose one can get through easily.
Right. And I think in this business, networking,
Very
has it helped you?
Very important. My means my core thing for my business has been networking.
Okay.
If you network with right people, like your business grows like anything. But the connection should be right. So, and it has helped me a lot. Networking has helped me a lot. I've always tried to build my network, and through that network, my business has grown immensely.
Right.
So proper networking, if you give good references, if you get good
That
references,
matters.
that matters a lot. That matters a lot.
In fact, you're also part of Corporate Connections. In fact, you were the charter president. So how do you think has Corporate Connection played a role in your business journey?
Yeah, Corporate Connection is a group organization which is only for business people. Like you discuss business over there. Socials are there, but it's for business people only, where you discuss your own business. So it has helped me a lot. It has given me very good connections, and I've developed very good network out of Corporate Connection. Yes, and I've got really good business.
Okay, you've also closed your businesses.
I've closed very good business out of Corporate Connection. And globally also, you get presence.
Yeah.
You know, when you join such organization, not only in Ranchi, you are known globally also. Like Corporate Connection is spread across the globe.
Right.
And wherever you go, like anywhere in the world or anywhere in India you travel, you have those members and you need any kind of connect. So it helps you a lot.
Right.
Yeah.
And जैसे अभी हमने sacrifice की भी बात की, so I've heard there's this concept forum. Probably is that a place where you can actually talk things out?
A very beautiful concept. Forum is a very beautiful concept. It's a closed door room where only 6-7 people are there, and you can discuss anything and everything, and it doesn't go out of that room. Whatever you discuss, whatever you release yourself over there. And it's
which is
only,
very important.
Yeah, very important. And it's in that room only.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in that room. No one can discuss whatever we have discussed about our personal life, about our business, or whatever stress we have. So we discuss everything, and it's in
Nothing
that
goes
room.
out of the
Yeah,
room.
nothing goes out of that room.
In fact, I saw uncle ki bhi kuch pictures of the meeting
Yeah,
or some
yeah,
sessions. So how has his experience been?
He's technically very sound, and he likes to do some online courses.
Okay, wow.
Yeah, and he enjoys coming.
He keeps learning.
Yeah, he keeps learning, and he's very updated. Whether it be AI.
Okay,
yeah,
wow.
Yeah. He's very updated according for all this stuff.
तो उनका भी experience with CC has been good.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Great. I think CC के भी कुछ core values है. Any one of your favorite?
Meaningful relationship.
I think that
Again,
is what you've spoken
Yeah, that
throughout.
is what I have spoken. That is again, if you have good relationship with your co-members, so that helps a lot building your network and building a trust. So, as we discussed earlier, trust and networking is major thing.
Yes,
in any
and this
business.
has also played a
Yeah,
major part.
Major part.
Right. I think आज का जो conversation है, that clearly, proves that आपका एक सबसे पहला चीज है, आई थिंक आपका ब्रांड होना चाहिए, काम अच्छा होना चाहिए,
You should be honest towards your work.
honest towards your work,
Yeah.
and then of course networking plays a very, important
vital
role.
very vital role.
Great.
So short term growth के लिए you should not like run for short term growth. That's what I feel. एक long term planning should be there. The short term के लिए जो भागते हैं ना, I don't think that they grow so much. Short term growth is there for sure.
Right.
But
But
in
वो
long term
future
या
नहीं है.
future नहीं है, उसका कोई future नहीं है. So you should plan for long term goals. Long term you should focus on that.
Right, great. I think so. This is, I think, one advice that you've already given. And आप अपने business wise भी कुछ एक advice लोगों को देना चाहेंगे कि before somebody buys a product, be it from you or from anywhere else, so क्या उनको एक mind में रखना है?
Planning should be there. A proper
Planning.
planning should be there. And
Before anything is constructed.
yeah, before anything is constructed, proper planning should be there, and one should go with branded products only क्योंकि उनकी quality है, ऐसा नहीं है कि if they are taking price, it's not just because of their brand, they deliver quality.
Okay, and that
And
matters.
social media is very active these days, so if they don't deliver good quality, no, so everything is coming on social media,
media,
yeah.
right.
So branded product has those quality.
Great. And one more advice for how being in the right group matters.
It matters a lot. हम starting से हम लोग सुनता है ना कि संगत का असर होता है. So if you are surrounded with right people, so always they will talk good. They'll talk about good business, good growth, how you should grow. So it matters a lot.
So yes, I think we had a great conversation, and it was great having you here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And we'll again hopefully see you again.
For sure.
When you have some other venture. In this venture only you keep adding things.
मुझे लगता है कुछ करना पड़ेगा तुम्हारे यहाँ पे आने के लिए.
नहीं आपने Thank you, Bhaiya. It was
Thank you
great
so much.
having you. So yes, we had an amazing conversation with Mr. Anish Saraf. काफी कुछ हमने जाना कैसे प्लानिंग करनी चाहिए एक बाथरूम की before you start actually constructing it or buying your sanitary ware products. And जी हाँ, Anish Enterprises is a brand, and how networking has helped him in his journey. Corporate connection is playing a major part in his business. In fact, he also shared that he has closed some amazing businesses, from the CC organization. So yes, this was the first episode of the CC Studio series. Stay tuned and let's meet some amazing entrepreneurs. Thank you.